Good day, everyone. So, we are going to discuss the impact of ICT in the daily lives of the people, such as the impact to the family, to the students, to the employee, to the business owners, and most of all, to the Filipino citizens. ICT in family. ICT permeates family life, especially for married couples with minor children, says a Pew Internet survey. ICT helps today's busy families stay connected with each other. Parents can check in with kids at all times to see where they are and what they are doing. Kids can easily reach parents if there is an emergency or a problem. However, ICT can also keep families apart. Imagine today's families gathered in the kitchen for dinner. Maybe the TV is on, a laptop on the kitchen counter, and everyone has their phone with them. Mom and dad are keeping an eye on emails even though the workday is technically over. So this family is physically together, but they are not totally focused and paying attention to each other. They are at least partially attentive to a ping or a beep indicating that there is a new text message, email, or missed call. So we can see that ICT has a big impact when it comes to each family. A large positive was the satisfaction of the kids and the connection of the parents at work. But the negative one here was the too much using of the technology that can cause everyone to be not focused and attentive while physically together, which is the most important when it comes to the family. The next one is the ICT to the students. First, students are encouraged to accept learning and participate in learning activities. Second, under the influence of information and communication technology, students can improve the quality of work and they can give self-esteem or confidence to carry out the strengthened learning task. Third, by using ICT, students can do more work by making more flexible individualized learning. And the last, information and communication technology enables collaborative learning and guidance for isolated students is rarely the fifth. There is also an editorial effect of using ICT to change the quality of student work and practice. For students with low handwriting and language skills, ICT improved it, for example, the use of processing. ICT can help students a lot when it comes to the learning activities. We can see here all the positive impact of ICT towards the students. But on the other hand, there's a negative too. ICT can cause addiction to the students playing Mobile Legends too much. That will lead to distraction in studying and learning. ICT to the employee. For many, work is no longer something we do at a certain time or place. Work can be anytime and anywhere. Technology blurs the boundaries between home and work and can negatively impact employees and their commitment to their organizations, as well as their partners and children. A 2010 study found out that more frequent use of ICT such as computer, email, cell phones, and internet results in being more effective at work, but also generates increases in workload and the pace of work demands. In a subsequent paper, 83% of workers indicated that ICT increases productivity, but 50% described greater stress levels. ICT increases the number of employments in our society. People can work as web developer, IT network administrator, etc. who have skills in ICT. It gives new job opportunities for many people to become successful self-employer to work from their home. When it comes to employees, for many, like call centers, office workers, etc., technology can help them a lot because work can do anytime and anywhere. ICT increases the number of employment, but it can lessen too, such as factory workers, wherein manually work become the work of automatic machines. ICT to business owners. Information and communications technology has an important role in the world, since we are now in the information age era. With ICT, the company can make the business easier to happen with the client, supplier, and the distributor. It's also very important in our daily lives. The lack of appropriate information at the right time will result in low productivity, low quality research works, and waste of time to pursue information and even to do research which actually others had done or in other countries. Nowadays, ICT cannot be separated with our daily needs. ICT has a great impact in our daily lives. For example, we can read our local newspaper using the online newspaper. Another example is we still can get connected with our family, relatives, or colleagues even if you are abroad by using the electronic mail, Yahoo Messenger, call conference, or video conference. Despite the positive impact and negative impact of ICT to the business owners, ICT can help business increases the opportunity to them wherein it helps to produce advertisement online and everyone can access it fast and easy. The last one is the ICT of the Filipino citizens. Benefits of ICT can be achieved directly through improved healthcare provisions and disease prevention, or indirectly through improved social infrastructure, economic growth, or other broader determinants of population health. In the context of public health, ICT, if properly designed and implemented, can generate many positive outcomes such as improved access for communities in rural or remote areas, support of healthcare professionals, real-time disease surveillance, data sharing, and data capture, storage, interpretation, and management. Since Philippines aren't innovated compared to Japan, ICT are more helpful to us Filipinos. According to the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization (UNESCO), ICT can contribute to achieving universal education worldwide through the delivery of education and training of teachers, improved professional skills, better conditions for lifelong learning, and the potential to reach people that are outside the formal education. So we can see that ICT has a big impact when it comes to each family. A large positive was the satisfaction of the kids and the connection of the parents at work. But the negative one here was the too much using of the technology that can cause everyone to be not focused and attentive while physically together, which is the most important when it comes to the family. So here are the impact of ICT. That's all for today and thank you for listening.